In this video, we will show you how to create form and subform in Microsoft Access. In Access, forms can be used for navigating through records. These forms are not only presentable, but also are a good way of skimming through the records. Subforms, as the name suggests, complement the main or the master form. These subforms bear details pertaining to the fields in the master form. For the purpose of this tutorial, we will be using a pre-existing database. First of all, select the table that you want to create a form of. Next, go to the Create tab, click on More Forms, and select the Form Wizard option. As a result, the Form Wizard will appear on your screen. Make sure the table you want to create a form of is selected in the Table drop-down menu. Now click on the double arrow button in order to make all the available fields into selected ones. Once you're done, click on the Next button. Next, you'll be asked to select the form layout followed by the style that you want to apply. Lastly, you'll be asked to write what title you want to give for your form. Once you're done, click on the Finish button in order to view the form. Once the form opens, right-click on the Opened tab and select the Design View option. As a result, the form will open in Design View. Here you will have the header, detail, and footer of the form. For the purpose of this tutorial, we will insert a subform in the footer. In order to do so, increase the design area where you can work. By default, the Design tab will be opened. Click on the Subform button under the Controls section and draw it in the footer region. As soon as you are done drawing the subform and release the left mouse key, the Subform Wizard will appear on your screen. For the purpose of this tutorial, we will use an existing form. Select the form that you want to use as a subform in the master form. Click on the Next button in order to proceed further. Click on the Finish button once you are done giving the subform a title. You can always resize and reposition the subform in the footer. Once you're done with the changes, right-click on the Open tab and select the Save option. Now go to the extreme left and opt for the Form view. You will be able to see the subform as a part of the form that you created earlier. In this manner, you can create forms and subforms in Microsoft Access.